Today we're going to look at the idiom acid test. What does that mean? Acid test. 今日の勉強は acid test です。それはどういう意味ですか？勉強しましょう。Acid test means a crucial is very, very important, necessary, crucial final test that proves the value or quality of something. Final test that shows how valuable something is or proves that something is true is an acid test. The origin of acid test is from the 1800s. In the 1800s, people would find gold in different places, and when they brought the gold to check the value or how much the gold is worth, a lot of times there's lots of other things included in the gold, and they would use acid. The acid would dissolve anything that's not gold, and the remaining gold would be pure gold. And then they could tell you the value or the worth of that. So it's the acid test. So the final test that shows us if something is really true or how much value something really has is an acid test. Acid test は日本語で言うと厳密な検査 or 厳しい吟味という意味です。Looking at some examples for acid test. Number 1, Sarah played well in the last match, but the acid test will be when the team plays better opponents. In the previous match, Sarah played very well. She appears to have very good skills for basketball or whatever sport it is. However, the acid test, the crucial test, the most important test to see whether she really has good skills or not will be the match against higher ranked opponents. If she's playing against people that are in a different class or much better than her, we'll be able to tell whether she has the necessary skills or not. This is her acid test. And number 2, your product looks great, but will people buy it? That is the acid test. The product we made looks very nice. We hope it will sell a lot. So when we actually put it in the stores and see whether people will buy it or not, then only then will we know its worth or its value. Is it a profitable product or not? The acid test for that will be after we put it in the stores and we can check and see whether people buy it or not. If people buy a lot of it, then it passes the acid test. It's a worthy product. It may look great, but then again, maybe nobody wants to buy it. And then it fails the acid test. Number 3, the acid test for a politician is whether they can resist a bribe. For politicians, if we want a politician that we can trust, it's necessary that the politician be able to resist bribes and not take bribes for anything. If politicians can resist bribes, then we know that this is a worthy, trustworthy politician. This is the acid test. So we can use acid tests in these types of sentences to check whether something is really valuable or how worthy something is. This is the final test to see how good something is. And 1番目を日本語で言うと、サラは最後の試合でよくやりましたが、今度の自分のチームより強い相手をプレーをするときは厳しい吟味になります。2番目。あなたの製品は良さそうですが、人々はそれを買いますか？それは厳密の検査です。3番目。政治家の厳密の検査は賄賂を跳ねつけることはできるか？ If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and please try a acid test sentence. I think it's a good addition to your vocabulary. And if you like my channel, please subscribe. See you next time.